Although, can you stop this one? Stop it. Stop muna. Okay. There. Okay, okay. Now, you tell me, what is he doing?
Catching the...
Is that a bird?
Yes.
Yeah. So, is he catching the bird up or down?
Up.
Good job. Good job. Okay. What is he doing? He's
putting the trash away.
Okay, he's putting the trash in the trash can, right?
Oh,
Is he
yes.
putting the trash up or down?
Down.
Good job. Good job. How about this? Where is your left hand? Do you know where's your left hand?
There.
That's the right one. This is the right and this is the left. Okay.
Left.
Left. This one left.
Left.
And right. Where's your left again?
Left
and
right.
Good job. Good job, baby. Now, this one, where is it left? Going left or going right?
Left.
Are you sure? Where?
No. Right.
Right. Good job. Good job. Okay, this one.
It's
Where is the cat? Is in the left or right?
Right.
The cat is the left or the right?
Left.
Good job. Good job, baby. So now you tell me, is the fruit is up or down?
Up.
Good job. Good job.
Whoa.
Great. Rock and roll.
Ooh, basket.
Okay.
Ooh.
We're here now.
Yeah. Now it's Tita May's turn.
Oh, Tita May's turn. Come here. Tita May's turn. Release.
Those are our best attacks. And they did.
Now, is the moon is in the right or left side?
Left. Right.
Good job.
Right.
Is the dog is in the left or the right side?
Left.
Good job.
Yay!
How about the television? Is it the left or the right side?
Right.
Right. And is it up or down?
Down.
Good job.
Yeah. DK's turn.
Oh my gosh.
No, it's your turn. No, DK. But I'm done already. Not
Okay.
me. Next DK.
Oh, this one. Oh, look.
DK's
Look at the
turn.
picture.
Ooh.
Okay, yeah. What is this?
It's a schoolhouse.
Okay, that's right. How about this?
It's
There's a lot of books right there, right?
a
Library.
A library.
How about this man? What is this?
A police.
Good job. How about this?
It's a boy.
Boy, who? What is he doing?
He's cleaning up the floor.
Yeah. And then he is a cleaner.
Yes.
Okay. How about this one?
It's the school.
School teacher.
A school teacher.
Yeah, that's right. How about this?
It's a doctor.
Wow, good job. How about this?
It's a
Gardener.
gardener.
How about this one? This is
It's
another doctor.
another doctor.
Yeah, yes, of course. Of course.
There's two of them.
Yeah, two of them. Yeah, there's the nurse and the doctor over there. And now,
Nurse. No, it's Tita May's
okay,
turn.
this one. You tell me this one.
Okay.
What is the boy doing over here? Look.
He's writing the book.
Is reading. Reading the book. That's right. How about the boy? What is he doing here?
He's playing his blue bike.
Good job. How about these kids? What are they doing?
They're counting 1, 2, 3.
Good job. How about this boy? What is he doing?
He's watching Black Circle.
Oh, okay. How about this girl? What is she doing?
He's drawing some letter.
Good job.
No,
Great
it's Tita May's
job. Oh,
turn.
Tita May's turn. It's your turn.
Again?